Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to be showing you something very simple. We're going to be checking the air filter. It's located right here. On the air filter housing, there's clips. They're very simple. All you do is take them, you push them down with your fingers. There's going to be some around back here. Should be one. Oh, that one looks like it's already either off or missing, so that's interesting. Anyway, I'm just going to grab the box. Here's our air filter. We'll take it out. As you can tell, there's a lot of gray, a lot of dirt in there. You'd want to go ahead and replace this. As for now, I'm just going to show you how to put it back in. We'll assume that we have a brand new one. It looks great. You're just going to slide it in. Get it sitting in the bottom first. Hopefully. There we are. This sits down nice and flat. You're going to take your clips, just push them right on. If there was one back here, click, click, there it is. And there you are, easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.